So welcome along everyone to a great little floral, simple floral, just throwing a bit of water on and a bit of paint and see what happens. So, are you ready? Great, let's get going. So, a couple of lines, all we're doing with these are lines of direction, yeah? So I'm going to start on the bottom left, do a couple of lines going up, slightly tilted more to the right and then straighter. Few little wobbles. These are where the florals are going to be, so I'm draping over. I like the idea of that, yeah. So you don't really see the shape of the flowers, you see the position they're going into. So that was hectic. That's your drawing, guys, nothing more than that. So little break, have a look at the kit, and then we shall get the paint on. Welcome back, guys. I'm going to start with Big Brian. There he is, big round-ended brush, about size 16, and all we're going to do is tap a little bit of water on. A little bit of colour in mine, you can see where it's going. Hopefully yours is a bit cleaner, don't really matter anyways. Okay, we're going to start with Rose Opera to a coffee strength. I'm just going to hold the brush this angle and I'm just going to blob it down. So big marks, small marks, big marks, small marks. Changing the angle a bit each time. Just vary it, that's all it is. Yeah, so finish with that. Clean your brush, dab it on your paper, make sure it's clean. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Mauve now, which is a not Daniel Smith, it's Cotmans. Cotmans. Coffee strength. We'll just do the same again. Just dab this in. Again, we're not even dragging the brush, we're placing it down. Sometimes it hits you a little bit of water. Sometimes it hits dry paper, sometimes it hits the colours that are already there. And I think we'll put a little bit of purple in as well, same sort of thing, coffee strength. Dab it in there. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Right, now we're going to go in with sap green. Going to use Miss Rigger, so large rigger brush, nice liquid paint, coffee strength, and we're just going to whiz. Right, that's where you start your whiz from. There, and zoom. Yep, zoom. I notice sometimes I just take it halfway, have a little break, have a small snack, maybe just a fish and chips, been in the UK. And then carry on. But rather than a straight line, plants grow and then they change direction. And also nice and liquid these colours will run into the green and give it a nice little tone, a little different colour. So if I've got a splodge of colour there, I can dive into again. Let's make a few bigger marks. Now these, they don't have to be a leaf shape, just put the brush down and squidge it about. And the eye will pick that up as a leaf. Just a few at the top end, look. This is such a carefree summer way to paint. No stress, doesn't matter where it goes. So yours will look different to mine, and mine will look different to yours. Remember to cross some of these over. That gives it a nice wild look. I always put more lines on than there are flowers. Now what I'm going to do now is just flick a little bit of water in. This allows it to disperse again. I'm just going to go back in with little mini Dave this time. He's a little mini dagger brush, great little guy. I'm going to start with a little bit of rose opera, a little bit thicker this time. This is coffee strength. I'm just going to dab some of this in. Sorry, it's not coffee, it's cream, it's thicker. Dab a few bits of this in. This is where the eye will settle. Not even necessarily going where the pink is, the rose opera. I'm just putting it down, just pushing the brush almost on its side. It's like a slide tackle. That's what it is. Here, little bobbles and doubles. Yeah. A little bit more mauve, again cream strength, same sort of thing. Only small marks, so that's what you want. Just a few small marks. Little dobs just at the end. Now a little bit of purple. Bring a few little bits down the stems. You can do anything you like, just do it nice and gently. Don't dive in too heavily and trying to paint it. Don't think about it at all, just put your brush down, see where it goes, and that's your starting point. Yeah? I know you can do this, guys. You're very good. Remember to have your cup of tea ready, or your coffee, or whatever your tipple is. Don't tipple it on your painting, but tipple it with your brush. Very final bit, a little bit of dark green, or darker green, cerulean green. Just a bit in there. Yeah? So I'm moving this across, see that sort of angle I use. There we go. That could have been just picked out of a hedgerow. What a beautiful bouquet. So there you go, guys, a very quick 10-minute painting from start to finish. You can do this, give it a go, and enjoy every moment. See you again very, very soon.